How many types of engines? There are many types of engines, which are divided into main categories based on their mode of operation: combustion, fuel type, and stroke. 1. Based on combustion. Internal combustion engines. In these engines, fuel is burned inside the cylinder, such as those used in cars, bikes, and buses. External combustion engine. In this, the fuel burns outside the cylinder, the best example of which is the steam engine. Two. Based on fuel. Petrol engine, SI engine. In these, the mixture of air and petrol is exploded through a spark plug. Diesel engine, CI engine. In these, air is heated by compression and then it is exploded by spraying diesel. Gas engine. These run on CNG or LPG. Electric motors. These run on batteries and do not emit any smoke. Three. Based on stroke. Two-stroke engine. The process is completed in one cycle of the crankshaft. Example: old scooters. Four-stroke engine. The process is completed in two cycles of the crankshaft. Example: used in modern cars and bikes. 4. Based on cylinder layout. Inline engine. All cylinders are in a straight line. V engine. Cylinders are arranged in a V shape, used in sports cars.